Hi everyone, welcome to 3 Minutes Blender tutorial. This is part 4, Action within Orthographic Field. As I mentioned in my previous tutorial, you can change to Orthographic Field by pressing num1, num3 or num7. Basically, the perspective field is the real world field, so everything is not in scale. For instance, if you put the cube further away, it will become smaller. If you put it become closer to you, it will become bigger. But in orthographic field, everything is stay on scale. Just try to press 7 and you try to move the cubes, the camera around, it will stay on the same scale. So that's the difference between the perspective field and the orthographic field. When you're editing an object, we use orthographic field to edit it. And there is a reason behind it. Let's say if you want to move this cube to the left hand corner of the scene, you can't really move the cube accurately to the left hand corner of the scene because it's in the 3D field. In order to let you do that, you have to change it to the orthographic field. Let's press num7 to change it to the top field. And also we have to bring the side property panel for the demonstration by pressing N. And when the panel appears on your right hand side, you click on transform. This transform menu allows you to edit your object in terms of number. So you can edit your object more precisely by using this panel. But in here, I just want to use it as the demonstration of what I'm going to tell you next. So now just try to move the cube with your red arrow and green arrow. As you are moving the cube, you will find that the value on your right hand side transform panel is moving at the same time. But you'll find one thing, that the location of Z stay the same. So that means no matter where you move, it won't change the height of the object. You can just press the mouse middle button and you rotate it, and you will see no matter you move, the height will stay the same. So within this constraint, we can move to the right place first. So we now move the cube to the left bottom corner first, and then we press num3 to adjust the height. When you try to move the blue arrow, you'll find that on the right hand side, your transform panel X and Y value doesn't change. So that means no matter how you change the Z value, it won't affect X and Y value. Within this constraint, you can change the height without affecting the location of the object. And when you rotate the field, you can now see that the object is placing on the top of the grid precisely. But when you check on the transform panel, you see that it's not perfect because the number didn't run up for exactly 1. So if you really want to make it perfectly, you can type -1, -1 and 1 on the XYZ. And now you have the perfect location of what the cube you want to be.